We have a Kent CNC vertical milling machine with an ACU-RITE mill power control. It's 3-axis CNC plus hand wheels. Model KTM 3VK F. Serial number 9310102. Machine was new in 2005. We're going to run it. Machine has a variable frequency head, 1700. It goes up to 4200 RPM. It has a high and a low gear. 3000 in the high. Machine has an R8 spindle going into the low gear. That's 350. You also have a digital tachometer. 130 RPM. Okay, we're going to jog it around for you. That's your X travel. You have a 10 by 50 table, 32 inches of X, 14 of Y. That's your Y travel. And you have 4 of Z. You also have a manual knee travel of 15. You have a crank there. You don't have to crank it right now. And crank the hand wheels. I'll show that it works as a digital readout. So when you move that in hand wheels, it becomes a digital readout. It's a 3-axis DRO. I have to undo the Z, yes, right. And then you have the knee up and down. So essentially, you've seen the spindle run in the high and the low gear. You saw it jog around, and you've seen us use the manual hand wheels. Thank you for watching our video.